Hi there, in this quick tutorial video I'm going to show you how to install MetaMask, one of the most popular blockchain wallets to use for Ethereum and other EVM blockchains. To install MetaMask you need to go to metamask.io and you will land on this page. MetaMask will immediately detect your browser. I'm currently using Firefox, so it also shows this little icon, but you can go to download and you will see all the available options. You have Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, and Opera. And you can also use the iOS app or the Android app. And for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Firefox, and it will install the MetaMask wallet as a plugin, as it will do for every single browser. So let's get started. Let's click create a new wallet, unless of course you want to import one. Disclaimers, I agree. You need a password. Mozilla can generate us a secure password, which is pretty darn good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15 symbols. I'm gonna be using that. And they automatically saved us the password. You definitely want a very strong password. This password over here is used to decode your wallet, because your wallet will be saved on your computer, and if someone hacked into your computer or gained access to your computer, they potentially could hack your wallet, and if they do not know your password, then they will not have access to it. So you need to have a very secure password for sure. Then go create new wallet, and you have a little video that explains what's going to happen over here, though I will explain it to you myself. Secure my wallet, and then click write down your secret recovery phrase. In this step, basically, you are giving your key phrase to the blockchain itself. Basically, this is the password to the blockchain, and if you lose this key, you lose all your money. If someone gains access to this key, then they go to your wallet and they can use all your money. If something goes wrong in this step, you lose all your money. So reveal secret key, you will get these 12 different words, which is your mnemonic phrases, and you need to write them down somewhere safe. Don't write them down in a cloud service like Evernote or Dropbox. It is best to write it down on a piece of paper and put it somewhere safe, and have multiple copies of this. And if you lose it, you lose all your money that's inside your wallet. So take every single measure to have it as safe as possible. So I will copy and I will paste it in like here, because it is a wallet that I'm going to be throwing away, because I'm recording this and a lot of people will see and will be able to access this, because this is all they need for access. The password that we created in the first step is only needed if for some reason they got the file that is saved in our computer of these 12 words. They will be encrypted by this password, and if this password isn't secure enough, it can be hacked by brute forcing it. So once we have written these down, click next, and basically they need to make sure that you have written it down to speed the process up. So the third word for us was midnight, the fourth word was gate, and after cabbage is cliff, and that's it. Wallet creation successful. Got it. Extension icon. So you need to pin your extension because you will not see it. And you click next. Your MetaMask install is complete. Done. So this is basically it for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I will try to help you out.